Tad here with Bixby Consulting. If your sales process is not too complicated or you're a small and medium-sized company, you can use Lightning Platform to build a custom Sales Cloud app that is at the same price point per user as Essentials, but with Enterprise Edition features. Platform users don't have access to sales objects except for accounts and contacts. Here's the experience from a platform user. My app is named Sales Lite, and it uses 5 custom objects along with the account and contact standard objects. The names of my custom objects look familiar except for inquiries, which are leads. Let's start by taking a look at inquiries. As you can see, I've created a queue, just like you have a lead queue. All the fields look the same because I used the lead names and data types as a template for my custom inquiries object. I'll create a new inquiry. I did not create assignment rules, but I can do that using Process Builder and Flow. The Kanban below the highlights component is a custom path using the inquiry stage field. Salesforce paths are useful to coach your users through a process by suggesting key fields to complete before moving on to the next stage. I've created a custom button which calls a screen flow to convert the inquiry. As with leads, conversion will create an account with the related contact and opportunity record. The workflow will also change the inquiry record type to convert it, and the assigned page layout will lock certain fields from update. Let's take a look at the account record with the contact and opportunity related records. This is actually my custom opportunity object, also with a path based on opportunity stage. This is analogous to the standard opportunity products object. I didn't customize my opportunity products much, but you can customize it to whatever that is that you are selling. Same with products. It's custom object replacing the standard product object. For this app, I did not include price books. Next is the custom role custom object. If you've adopted persona-based selling, contact roles are useful and is found in standard Sales Cloud. Let's create a new contact as the primary economic decision maker. And finally, products. You can use an external key like product SKU if you want to integrate and sync with the product database that you currently use. Or you can manually update and sync the list using a number of data import tools. You can even use a URL to display an image of the product. Now I'll switch over to the sysadmin view and take a look under the covers. As you can see, the inquiries is a custom object with custom fields. I used record types assigned to page layouts for improved access control and better usability. Essentials does not offer record types nor the ability to create custom fields. And here is my custom button that calls the flow to create the conversion process. My opportunity object is also a custom object, and you can see that the contact role, opportunity product, and product object are custom objects as well. Here's the flow associated with the custom button to convert inquiries. I'm not going to get into the details on how to create flows. It takes information from the inquiry record to use to create the account, related contact, and opportunity, and ends by updating the inquiry record. That's it. Note that platform users have access to up to 10 custom objects, and that custom objects from managed packages installed from the App Exchange do not count towards that limit. As you can see, you can do a lot with the platform, and it's a lot of value at $25 per user per month. See you next time.